You've searched and you found Response5. So let's begin. Isaac and I have been a team for 10 years. It's been an incredible journey and one that we're about to share with you. Response5 is really specifically designed for you. It's for you to take that bigger, better step in your dog's healthcare. It's a skill that you're going to learn really quickly, really simply. You're going to use it for hundreds of different reasons, and I'm about to show you why. We're going to explore what Response5 is, why it's so effective, and how it differs from other therapies. How Response5 is designed to get quick results, and I'm telling you, within 10 days, you're going to see such incredible results. And finally, your mindset and why it's the #1 thing that will change your dog's life. As you can see, Isaac's already decided to jump off the couch, move across the room, and view the rest of this from there. So what is Response5? Well, Response5 is a neurological therapy. We're going to get into the depths of that in the next video, but for now I just want you to understand all the positive results that Response5 has created. Response5 is designed and really has come about from my years of practice and how I kept honing this skill until it became a really popular course within my community where I was teaching families to take care of their own dog's health. Well, that kept growing and growing until finally Response5 became an online course for families such as yourself, which are now in 20 different countries, so that you can hone a skill that's honestly going to change the way you think of healthcare, but also keep your dog happy, healthy, and really living that long, productive, mobile life that we all want for our dogs for a lifetime. If I had to sum up Response5 in 2 words, it would be neurological restoration. So what's happening is we're taking that whole body that's out of balance, whether that's with simply a senior dog who's getting, arthritis, having trouble getting in and out of a car, all the way through to paralysis, spinal cord injuries, degenerative myelopathy. It's a simple 5-step technique that really communicates with the body. Let's take a look at why Response5 is so effective and how it compares to other therapies that are out there. The high effectiveness of Response5 comes from that brain-body communication. So we're not just looking at creating a relief, we're creating an actual change. And here's what some people who have taken the course had to say. I can't thank you enough for making it possible for myself and all the other people you must have helped with the 5 steps. Portia's response to the 5 steps has been almost unbelievable. I'm so very grateful for your help and advice. I feel now that I have my beautiful girl back, Eve. He improved very noticeably with Response5. More energy, more balance, wants to play with our other dogs, falls less often, more stability going down the stairs, stretches his back legs, just in general looks less stressed in his eyes. Jamie. Woohoo! So much better this week. It works, it works, it works. I did treatment 5 today and he responded accordingly like you said would happen. Thank you, from Kim. Discovering Response5 was the answer to a desperate prayer for a miracle. Learning and using Response5 has been an incredible journey from despair to joy and wonder. Maureen. Milo has improved a lot since the last 5 sessions you recommended. He is walking better when he goes on walks. We are very happy with his progress. Liz. Now, you've heard the results, but I often get asked, well, how does Response5 differ from, say, chiropractic or massage therapy? Well, chances are at home you're not doing chiropractic, but probably massaging your dog, which, hey, that is amazing in itself, and please continue to do that. But I want to show you the difference between what Response5 is compared to massage. So massage, you're getting into those deep muscles, you're really working in the muscle area. It feels great, right? And massage creates an amazing relief, and that's why I encourage you to do that with your dog. However, Response5 is way more than massage. We're not looking to create relief, we're actually looking to create change. So when we talk about arthritis and getting in and out of that car easier, you can massage all you like. It is going to help. But when you create a neurological change, and inflammation decreases, the whole body starts working together, the energy level comes up. That's when you see those senior dogs really exceed with Response 5. Same thing with spinal cord injuries, degenerative myelopathy. Again, we're looking at this as a whole body neurological technique. So this is why we get these big, profound changes. So just to recap quickly, we know that Response 5 is basically neurological restoration. We know that we're not looking for a relief like massage, we're asking that whole body to change on a neurological level. So now let's look at how Response 5 is designed to get quick results. Well, just on its own, Response 5 is designed again to work on a deep neurological level. It's just amazing. When I first started learning this, I thought, how could something so simple, honestly, we're using our hands on the body to make these amazing changes. I was just like, I've heard about these miracle results, but really, it's that simple? Well, I'm telling you it is, and it's been designed specifically for you to learn very, very quickly. I'm telling you, within the second day of starting this course, you're already going to have your hands on the dog and starting a 10-day formula, which I provide for you to get results. And that's right, in 10 days, I'm expecting to hear from you to say, my dog has more energy, my dog has more stability, my dog's sleeping better, I'm noticing my dog doing things it hasn't done for a long time, and you're so excited for the next step. Your mindset is really the number one thing that's going to change your dog's health. I want you to hone a skill that I tell you, it's like learning a dance. It's like 5 simple steps. Once you put them together, you have them for a lifetime, whether your dog's young, old, experiencing like a really acute injury, or it's some chronic mobility issue that you're dealing with. It's a skill that you have. And it's not just for your dog, by the way, although I'm sure right now that's your huge focus, but it's also for cats. I've worked with cats, I've worked with chickens, believe it or not, an injured chicken. I've worked with exotic birds and iguanas and ferrets, and the list goes on. So yes, you're learning this for your dog, but I'm telling you, this is going to expand your entire view of healthcare. So here you have it, neurological restoration at its best. We've been doing this for quite a long time now, getting amazing results. Again, thousands of families have joined us in over 20 countries. I would love you to join us as well so that you can get your dog back into living a healthy, beautiful, wonderful, long-filled life. If you're not already sitting over at response5.com, head over there, subscribe to the emails, and receive your exclusive information guide, as well as a wonderful discount so that you and your dog can start this health journey today.